This is Kent Mayor Dana Ralph, and I want to provide you with an update on the City of Kent's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. I want to start out with a heartfelt thanks to all of the essential workers that are keeping us moving forward during this crisis. We've got our hospital workers, our police officers, utility workers, people that are working in our restaurants making sure that people are being fed. I'm grateful for all of you. The second layer of that is all of the volunteers that we're seeing that are donating to help keep those essential workers in personal protection equipment, food. I know that the city has been the recipient of many good meals during this, and it's helping keep our workers nourished as they're out there serving you. Through this process, we are doing our very best to provide you with as much relevant information as possible. Last week, we held our first Facebook Live town hall. Felt like we got some really great questions and were able to provide responses to that. Want to let you know that in upcoming weeks, we'll be doing another one of those town halls, and Dr. Calvin Watts, the superintendent of the Kent School District, will be joining us. I'm receiving a lot of emails, especially since we got the notification that schools are being closed for the rest of the year. And I know that he's very interested in providing you with updates regarding that, what's going on with things like graduation. So watch for the notifications for that on our social media. Our business community has been impacted greatly, and I want to let you know that we are working every day, our Economic and Community Development Department, reaching out to businesses on a one-on-one basis, as well as we're sending out weekly newsletters, making sure that all of the resources that are being made available, that information is making it to our businesses. If you're a business owner and have questions about that, please make sure to check out our website, or you can contact me directly or our Community and Economic Development Department. The tough part around the economy, as a city, we're not sitting back waiting to see what happens. We know that we have to start planning for this downturn. We're hearing it being called a lot of things, recession, immediately, and that means taking a hard look at the decrease in revenues. We know that sales tax are down, business and occupation taxes are down, and those are the sources that we use to provide the services that our community has become accustomed to. As a result of the economic impacts, I've directed the city's executive leadership team to come up with a series of proposals regarding program cuts and staff reductions. We've asked for them to develop scenarios at a 5% cut, 10, 15, and finally a 20% cut level. What this means is that programs that our residents enjoy may very well be cut. We will be cutting the staff that support those programs. These aren't easy decisions for anyone, but my job as mayor is to make sure that the city is sustainable and that we are able to continue to provide those core services that our residents rely on. So I am committed to keeping you, our residents and businesses, updated as we work through this process. We are hoping over the next few weeks to formulate a plan and present those budget reductions to council sometime by the end of May. Kent has faced many obstacles and crises in our past. The one thing that's consistent through all of them is that we pull together as a community and we take care of each other. That is my ask for you, is that you continue to take care of each other. We are doing what we need to on this end to make sure that the city is sustainable and that we can continue to provide those services you rely on. We're a team, we're all in this together. Remember, we are Kent.